Greetings, everyone. I thought I'd just do this little video about a key number that I'm watching that we're close up to again. It's just based on some information that I heard about, and not investment advice, and nobody who watches my channel probably cares too much because it is not about uranium. So, yeah, not investment advice, just some key number that I found interesting. Before I begin, please take a few seconds to read this. You can pause the video if you need to, but just please read it, and let's go. So what this is all about is basically a technical level in gold that will trigger or should trigger some buying. Now, I don't know if the buying will be instantaneous right away. I don't think so. I think it's more of a progressive thing, and I don't know how long it will take, but it's just a level at which some buying should occur. Now, the level would trigger $46 billion worth of commodity trading advisors to cover their shorts in gold. And now that number may seem like a significant amount because it would amount to almost 37 million ounces or 1,154 tons of gold, which would be more than 1/3 of the annual production, which theoretically should make a rather large move in the market. However, what they would be doing is they would be covering in the futures market, which is A, much bigger, and B, can be, uh, let's say, distorted to apply to things beyond the production of physical. Basically, futures contracts can be created by traders who wish to speculate on moving the price, thus moving the price, but basically it's far bigger than the physical market, so the prices wouldn't move as much as you'd think. Still, the number is a daily close above $1,245 in gold should cause 46 billion worth of shorts to cover. And despite the futures market being much bigger than the physical market, that's still a lot of money. And theoretically, that much buying should, if it happens, because I'm not predicting that we will near term or long term. I think we will long term, but I'm not making any predictions as to when or if we close above 1245. But if that happens, it should push the prices up higher in the short term. So what's my plan? Well, first we'll start with if I see it, if I'm not doing something else or not watching the market at the end of the day when gold may be looking like it's going to close at that level. But anyway, if I see it, I plan to buy as a trade something with attractive risk reward profile that has high leverage to the upside of gold. Some of the things I'm thinking of are JNUG, which is a triple up junior gold miners, NUGT, which is triple up, well, majors, gold majors. Some gold mines or some gold mining companies that have high all-in sustaining costs, or calls in GLD or some equivalent thing, or calls in some other name. We'll have to see what it looks like at the time, but those are my top candidates for what I plan to do if it looks like it's going to happen. And again, I will size my position accordingly, and I'm cognizant of the risks. Now again, this is not investment advice. This is just an opinion based on information that I heard and that I trust. Now, I would advise you to trade based on your own information, buy based on your own information, not mine, because mine could be wrong. I'm not sure that this information is 100% accurate. I believe it is, but That does not mean it is. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I invite any questions, comments, doubts, or concerns. I'm, yep, signing out for today. Have a great one.